update. What has now been said that the Bolivian military plane seems to have crashed. 15, however, have been killed in this El Alto disaster. And this seems to be a banknote cargo that seems to be scattered on the road as the aircraft skidded off the runway and the plane has smashed into a busy avenue. There are chaotic scenes, what is being said, that were witnessed at the crash site, and the airport was temporarily shut. Well, this probe has now been launched into this crash, as this seems to be another aviation disaster that has now been reported, this time coming in from Bolivia, where a military plane crash has killed at least 15 and has scattered the cash cargo. 15 people have been killed, over 30 of them have been injured after a Bolivian Air Force Hercules aircraft carrying new banknotes from the country's central bank that crashed onto a busy avenue amid inclement weather. And this is being said in the city of El Alto, near Bolivia's capital. And according to reports that have been coming in, the military aircraft that departed from the city of Santa Cruz and crashed after landing and skidding off the runway onto a neighboring avenue, according to local authorities there, where there is footage that has now showed chaotic scenes of the people flocking at the scene of the crash, appearing to pick up the money that lay strewn on the floor and on the ground following the accident. Local authorities on the scene were seen warding off those people using water hoses and tear gas, as foreign media reports are unable to identify the images. But it was Bolivia's central bank that was said to address the press as well. And the El Alto International Airport has been temporarily closed following this crash. And this is now coming in from a statement there of the aircraft that involved in the accident did not belong to the fleet. But there has been local media report showing that the aircraft was severely damaged. Number of vehicles along the avenue also were damaged as the crash took place. And there on the ground, these are the new notes of the Bolivian state. It was the banknote cargo that seems to have been scattered. And in a bid to keep the crowd away, the authorities had to use hoses, water hoses, because the people were actually busy picking up those new banknotes from the area of the crash that it was reported. Unfortunately, 15 people have lost their lives, and this airport has now been temporarily shut, and an investigation has now been lodged into the crash.